Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Google Pixel XL. Now, this is not the newer Google Pixel XL. This is the first generation. And real quick before we get into this video, I just wanted to send a big shout out and a big thank you to your boy AlteredTech for hooking your boy up with a really sweet deal. That being said, I know some of you guys and gals may be saying, you went for the first generation? Why? And for me, guys, it was pretty much a no-brainer, okay? Now, for those of you who don't know, maybe this is your first video, but I went with the first generation Pixel because it maintains a few things that the newer Pixels don't have. The one primary thing being that it retains the headphone jack, okay? Other than that, it also has what I consider to be my favorite screen size in a 5.5-inch display. That's my absolute favorite screen size, okay? And it has a nice panel, a nice 4K panel without issues, okay? Whereas the later generations did have some issues with the panels. They do have the notches, which if I had to choose, I wouldn't have. Sure, I lose out on the front-facing speakers, but again, I retain the headphone jack, which the newer ones don't have. Anyways, that being said, this bad boy done came in. I also picked up a case for it as well, so let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. First off, I have to say I really do like the packaging that Google uses. As you can see, it's very clean. On the side, it just has what the device supports. So it comes with built-in Google Assistant. It does have Chromecast support, and the display is Daydream ready. So it does have Daydream VR support. Okay. Other than that, it's just a clean box. Down at the bottom, you have your IMEI information, and you have your device. So I'm going to gray out what you guys are not supposed to see, but as you can see down here, we do have our IMEI information, we have our model number, and you can verify that this is the Pixel XL, which has a 5.5-inch display, and it's the 32GB variant, and it's the very silver color. Alright, other than that, nice diagram of the device's display up front, and that's pretty much it. We have the Google G Pixel phone by Google, and that's it. So sliding this bad boy out. Now, as I always do, to make this process faster, I already unboxed the device, made sure everything was in it, but then I boxed it back up because I know some of you guys like to see the unboxing experience. So sliding that first box out the sleeve, we have another box here, and then we have the device itself. So you can see the Pixel right there. And as I said, I already unboxed it, skipped through the setup, and dropped it out to the home screen. And I didn't install anything yet because I know some of you guys like to see the available storage that comes on the device out the box. So flipping open this flap, this is where we would have the charging brick, as you guys will see there, and our USB Type-C cable, which is over here. Couldn't really get that back in the box right, but it is what it is. Okay, other than that, if we take out the device, we take out the device here, you can see here's the device, which pretty much looks brand new. All right, we're gonna put this down for a second. Whoop! Uh-oh. Man, having issues today. We're not gonna edit that out. Bumpy cam all the way. Underneath that, this is where we have our SIM removal tool. Now it is in there. I heard it rattling around. It's there somewhere. Yeah, there it is. We have our SIM removal tool, and that's pretty much it for the unboxing experience. Sorry about that, y'all. I'm a little bit excited back here. Didn't mean to bump the camera, but it is what it is. You guys and gals know we don't edit stuff out. We just keep it moving. It is what it is. Then we have, come on, man, get it together, son. Then we have the Trianium case for the Google Pixel XL. All right. And here's the device. Now, real quickly, let's just walk around the device real quick. So down at the bottom, you can see we have our USB Type-C port there. All right. Then we have our microphone grill, if I can get that to focus, and our speaker grill. So we got one bottom firing speaker on this device. On the side, we have our volume rockers, volume up and down on the bottom, which this is the right hand side, and our power button up top, which is a textured power button. Across the top, going up, we have antenna lines there, antenna lines across the top. And then we retain our 3.5mm headphone jack. Really good stuff. Coming down the left side, all we have is our SIM tray. And this does support nano SIMs with no micro SD card expansion. So it is what it is. Alright. Okay. Other than that, up front here, we have our 5.5-inch quad HD display. And thank you, bro. You did put on a screen protector. Really good to see that. I might have shifted it, taken it out the box, but I'm really happy to see that because you know your boy is clumsy as I don't know what, as y'all saw from the video. Across the back, we have our 12 megapixel camera up top with LED flash, more microphones, and our fingerprint sensor with a nice Google logo on the bottom and FCC information. So that pretty much does it for the walk around of the device. It is what it is. My excitement is palpable here. Now, let's check out this case, see how it fits, and then we're going to show you guys the available storage, and we're going to wrap this video up. So this is the Trianium case. Now, I've done videos on Trianium products before, and I really do like their products. The last Trianium products that I had was for the LG G6, and it worked out pretty much no problem. Okay, so as you guys and gals can see, just taking everything out the plastic here, it's just a nice clear TPU style case. And let's see how it fits on the device. So you just pop it in. Alright. And it pretty much fits flush, no problem. All your cutouts are still in the appropriate places. So cutouts for the fingerprint sensor, which adds a nice divot drop. So now I can always tell where the fingerprint sensor is. Cutouts for the cameras and the flash and the microphones. Alright. Got full protection for your power button and your volume rockers. Really good stuff there. And you can see we do have really nice lip protection as well. So it is what it is. Now this phone has maximum protection. So even if I put it face down or it drops face down with the screen protector on and the case with the lip on, I don't have to worry about this phone getting any damage. So really good stuff there. All right. Now let's jump in and check out the interface and check out the storage, and then we'll wrap this video up. So swiping in, out the box, this bad boy came with Android 9.0 Pie. So let me just show y'all real quick. If we jump into the settings here, you can see we do have the new settings interface, and we scroll down to System, and we scroll down to Advanced, and you can see right there, it is running Android 9 Pie. And if we click on the Update tab, you can see right there, we are running the January 5th security patch on Android 9.0 Pie. So really good stuff. And if I jump back and go into gestures, I do think I can enable the pill mode as well. So yes, out of the box, it comes with the buttons, but I can turn on the pill mode if I would like. So now you can see we got the pill with the swipe up gestures for the recents, so on and so forth. So I could turn that on and off. Really nice to see that. Good stuff there. And we do have an ambient display, and I do think it comes with double tap as well. Let me just check that real quickly. So no, it doesn't come with double tap, but it does come with raise. So if it detects motion, it will show me my notifications, or if I get a notification, it will show me that, and it has that nice battery percentage on the bottom as well. So really good stuff there. All this stuff is standard with Android 9 Pie. Really good to see that. Now let's check the available storage. So jump back into settings, go into storage here, and out of the box with nothing installed, you can see the system is using up 6.46 gigabytes, and that's about 20% of the overall storage. And you can see right there we just have nothing on the device. So a little bit of pre-installed video apps. The system is taking up 4.5 gigabytes, and a few pre-installed other apps, but I'm not sure what that is. But jumping into the app drawer here, you can see we pretty much have nothing. So there's no bloatware on this device. You got your stock Google apps, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so first impressions, I really like the look of the device. I like the feel of the device in my hands. This case is a really nice touch. Thank you, bro, for including it, sending it over with a screen protector already on it. That's greatly appreciated. Greatly appreciated. I like that. And yeah, I think I'm really going to enjoy this device. Now, the only downside I can tell you guys already is that this is the 32 gigabyte variant, and there is no micro SD card expansion. So we're gonna have to use this app with use this phone with the bare essentials on it. So this variant comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of onboard storage, but it can go all the way up to 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of onboard storage. But we're going to try and make it work. Alright, so that pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of the original Google Pixel XL and the Trianium Slim Clear TPU case. Now, my full review for this case and device will probably be out in a month from the posting of this video, because you know I want to take my time and gather all my thoughts and come back with a full in-depth video for you guys and gals, and we'll go over everything. Alright? Everything? Go over everything. Alright, so let's pan up here, and man, it looks clean. Alright, so that review video should take me about a month from the posting of this video. That being said, I hope you guys and gals did enjoy the video. I apologize for that little mistake at the beginning. You know, in my excitement, I kind of almost knocked over everything, but it is what it is. If you guys and gals did enjoy the video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I drop more clumsy videos. Y'all know it is what it is. That being said, if this video piqued your guys' interest and y'all want to know more about some of the stuff that I talked about in this video as well as the device itself, all the links to everything that I talked about during this video will be located down below in the video description. This whole video was recorded using the 12 megapixel rear facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S8 in 1080p at 30 frames per second. And all of the audio for this video is being recorded using the Move 2010 omnidirectional microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality and the overall audio quality as well. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone. Alright, now I need to decide which SIM card I'm going to put in this bad boy. Do I want to rock T-Mobile? Or do I want to put my Verizon SIM in here? I think I might rock with Verizon for this. Alright, have a good one, everybody. Peace.